Crystals for motivation. Do you need some motivation? Would you like support to move forward? Check out these 6 crystals. Azurite is a powerful crystal for mental activation, clarity, and inspired action. Its motivational energy doesn't come from force or pressure. It comes from awakening the mind, dissolving confusion, and reconnecting you with purpose. Bumblebee Jasper is a high energy activation stone that works through joy, courage, confidence, and forward movement. Its motivation energy is bold, bright, empowering, and perfect for getting unstuck and taking action. Carnelian is a classic stone of drive, vitality, confidence, and creative momentum. Its motivational energy is grounded, embodied, and action oriented, keeping you moving from intention into consistent, empowered action. Camerite supports motivation in a unique, soul aligned way. Rather than pushing or forcing action, it helps you release what's draining your energy and reconnects with motivation that is true, meaningful, and sustainable. Orange calcite is a bright, uplifting crystal that motivates through emotional healing, optimism, and gentle activation. Rather than pushing, it restores joy and flow, making it ideal when motivation is low due to heaviness, burnout, or emotional stagnation. Sodalite motivates through clarity, logic, emotional balance, and focused thinking. It's especially helpful when motivation is blocked by confusion, overwhelm, overthinking, or emotional reactivity. My name is Vialet B Rayne, and if you'd like to learn more about these crystals, herbs, and essential oils, join us for Crystal Alchemy. You can take that in-person class in South Denver or online anytime, anywhere. I hope you will join me for this fun, educational, and engaging program.